This is our prescriptive solution, our control shampoo and conditioner. In this particular range, it's sulfate and paraben free, and it also comes with one shampoo or two different conditioners. So we'll start off by using our shampoo. We're going to use a 20-cent piece again. Applying it to the roots, and making sure we need to cleanse the scalp. If you feel like you need to do two shampoos, then apply if necessary. This particular shampoo and conditioner is going to help with flyaways, it's going to help with really fine and limp hair, and it's also going to help control the excess flow of oil. Our control shampoo and conditioner is also colour safe, so we know that it's going to help with our longer lasting colour. Once you've rinsed out all of the shampoo, make sure you squeeze out all the excess moisture. We're going to use our Revive conditioner. Our Revive conditioner is designed for your fine, limp and oily hair. With this conditioner, we're going to also apply this 20-cent piece. We're actually going to apply this conditioner to the roots. Now this is going to help control that oil. It's going to help with volume. Make sure you move it in through the roots and also through those mid-lengths and ends. It's designed so it's nice and lightweight, so it's not going to weigh the hair down when styling. Once you've left the conditioner on for 3 to 5 minutes, make sure you rinse that. Our control range also comes with an intense conditioner, so it is also designed for someone that also has fine, limp but extremely oily hair. So when we use our conditioner, we are going to apply again to the root area, and again this is going to help control that oil flow for those clients. And once you've left it for 3 to 5 minutes, make sure you rinse thoroughly. As you can see, this is our result after our Prescriptive Solutions Control range. It's nice, it's light, it's airy, and it's not too heavy on the hair.